What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for a ride along in the Lexus IS 500 F-Sport Performance. So this one doesn't look like it's factory, but it basically is. The only changes that it has are that it has non-factory wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, along with a sportier intake and exhaust, and then it also has a carbon fiber rear wing from the track edition. But otherwise, should drive very much, like a stock vehicle. This was around Eagles Canyon Raceway, and Townsend Bell was the driver, a very impressive driver, and so yeah, it was a really fun ride, and it sounds really, really great. So enjoy the ride.
Oh boy.
Yeah, they're coming way wide.
He's a little lost. There's a lap at Eagles Canyon.
It's awesome. This thing sounds great. Is this one basically the same as the stock one aside from the spoiler?
Spoiler and an exhaust. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's a great car.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. And we could drive to Austin right now in total bliss in terms of comfort,
I know, it's great.
So they do that really well, better than anybody.
Yeah.